Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Caden here. We're back with another Evo video. Today we're actually going to be repairing that CV axle boot on the passenger side, as I mentioned in the last video with the Evo. As you can tell here, see here, I got a CV axle rebuild or repair kit from Viamoto, as you can see right here. So it came with the boot, of course. If it didn't, it would be a problem. Grease, the clamps. I quickly had to go run out and actually grab some, what's it called? CV boot clamp pliers in order to actually install these clamps properly. The link for Viamoto's website will be in the description if you need anything for your Evos, early generation Evos. I found out that site's a pretty good site to actually find. The harder things to find for my car, like I couldn't find this. I actually went on to an Evo group chat, and the previous owner of the car actually commented in there and sent me a direct link to that. So I'm going to be definitely ordering more parts from Viamoto in the future. So we're going to actually head out there right now and let's get her done. Alright, so we're in the garage now. As you can see from the last time, we kind of tried to put this from a parts car. I got this carbon fiber fender. It's kind of beat up. I was going to try and learn this winter how to possibly refurbish this. Pretty risk-free project for me. Not a big deal, right? But at the same time, it doesn't, unfortunately, line up here. And that's really annoying me. I guess the Parts Evo was a different year, probably a later model. But whatever. I'm still going to try and fix it because why not? We could make it look pretty, see how well I can do. I can learn about it, so I'm not going to complain about that. Alrighty, guys, so we got to somehow get this off. How do I do that? I don't know. You're going to watch me struggle. Here we go. Oh! Ha! I mean, I guess that works. So as you see here, there are these clamps on here. We need to remove those in order to actually get it off. Nice cutters here. Oh, we're almost there.
I can see it coming.
There we go. So we got the first one off. We got the first clip off with
Great success. We got to take the boot off now. Great success, number 2. Where do I want to put these? I don't know. Let's get these other one off and we will enjoy the sexy sounds. Continue.
You gotta squeeze, man. Just remember what Chandler always says. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy, Katie. Alrighty-o. Got her off. We're gonna just try and cut it off with these. There we go. Alrighty. So now that we got that off. Oh. Okay. Spooky, man. So we're back a few days later here with the correct boot. I express shipped it so we could get faster, and because then I can work on the Evo, because I really don't want to keep putting time off here. So we're just gonna get right back into it, and yeah, let's do it.
Hi, how's it going?
Grease
And clamps.
boot. Haha, it's the boot. But the other boot's still on it, so that's not gonna work so well. Yeah, that would make sense. Oh no! I don't even know if I got that on camera.
Well, that's a big chungus.
Did I even? Nope. You just saw the bottom of it.
Well, essentially, I just inserted it like this. Yeah, old boot. You like the new boot, huh? That's how you make it fit.
Now we're gonna put this dog bone piece back on here. but now it does. It goes down like that. We're gonna take our thingamajigger, insert that on there so it cannot come off. Then we're going to, again, I'm just gonna use the grease that I had from the previous. Fill this goober up with just a bunch of grease. Because, yeah, why not? I mean, what's the worst that's gonna happen? And insert this into here. And now, since it's in there, I'm gonna grease this up now. I don't know exactly how much grease I'm gonna put in here, so I'm just gonna assume the tube of grease that I get is how much I should put in there. Because that would make sense if they gave you one tube for the amount of grease. I don't see why they would give you a full tube of grease and you not use any of it, or only half of it. So I'm just gonna play it safe and get her all up in there. Ah. Okie dokes. The nooks and crannies in there. Is this not the right boot? Yes! Oh, great success! Okay, y'all. We got it in. It just took a lot of pushing. That was the biggest pain in the butt to get on. I thought it wasn't the right size, but looks like we got it on. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put those the clips on. If I can unravel it, the clips back on. We'll glob the clips. Mass amounts of grease. And that, ladies and gentlemen, looks to be like a properly resealed boot. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to like and subscribe, and as well, it helps me out a lot. And as well, comment down below your favorite car. I love hearing your guys' feedback, as well, communicating with everyone. So I do read the comments and will reply to them.